A-W with M-R-M-I-K-E.
Now, what kind of shapes and lines can we use to create this dog? All we need are these basic lines and shapes. We have an oval, a circle, an arc, and a line. By the end of this episode, you are going to have a drawing of this excavator. We're going to need some art materials to draw with. Now, you can use anything. You can use a crayon, you could use a pencil, you could use a marker, you could use a paint stick, or you could use a banana. Hello, Mr. Wilson.
Oh, hey, Mr. Mike, how you doing?
So we have 4 different types of emotions that we can add to our stick figure here. That stick figure runs and hides, and then waits for the pizza to pass. And after the pizza passes, the stick figure comes back and starts chasing the pizza because the stick figure is going to eat that pizza for lunch. Let's see how all of this fits together to make our house.
This one's my favorite. This is a zigzag. And when we draw a zigzag, we get to make a sound effect. Let's all do it together. Ready? A zig-zag zoo.
The same basic lines and shapes that we used to create the acorn to create this tree. How is that possible, Mr. Mike?
R-A-W with M-R-M-I-K-E.
We're going to make a great drawing.